In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image bigger in a cell in Google Sheets. We'll walk through every step so that you can get the most out of your spreadsheets. Let's dive in. First, you want to open a new or existing Google Sheet where you'd like to insert the image. If you don't have one open already, head over to Google Sheets and either create a new one or open an existing file. Once you're in, take a moment to look over your spreadsheet to choose the perfect spot for your image. Now, find the cell where you want to place the image. Click on that specific cell to select it. You'll notice that once you click it, the cell will be highlighted, indicating that it's now active and ready for your image. Next, up at the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. Move your cursor to the Insert option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will find several options for things you can insert into your spreadsheet, such as charts, drawings, and in our case, images. From the drop-down menu, locate and hover over the image option. Another menu should appear to the right. Here, you have two options, Insert Image in Cell and Insert Image over Cells. Since you're aiming to place the image inside a specific cell, click on Insert Image in Cell. Once you click that, a dialog box should pop up. You'll see an option to browse your computer files. Click on Browse to open up your File Explorer. Now, find the image file on your computer that you want to insert. You can scroll through your folders or use the search feature to quickly locate your image. After you've found the file, select it and click Open. The image will now be uploaded and placed into the cell you selected earlier. You should see it appear right inside the cell, and it's now part of your spreadsheet. With the image placed, you'll notice it might be too small or not fit perfectly. Don't worry, you can adjust the cell size to get the image to look just right. Click back on the cell containing your image, and you'll see a border surrounding it. To resize the cell, hover your cursor over the border between the columns or rows. When the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, click and drag to adjust. Make the column wider and the row taller, and you'll see your image scale accordingly within the cell. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and resized an image in a cell in Google Sheets. This method is perfect for showcasing images in your spreadsheets, whether it's for a report, project, or just for a touch of visual flair. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheet editing.